Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. This Equinox is featured in a blue paint finish and is the LT trim. It includes features such as our heated front cloth bucket seats, backup camera with our park assist. We have Apple Carplay and Android Auto, a power tailgate, lane keep assist with departure warning, forward collision alert, as well as much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, you can see we have a chrome finish door handle, our window control or our door locks, power mirrors, power windows, and rear window lock, some storage as well as our power tailgate and a speaker in the bottom of the door. All of our lighting controls just inside to the left of the steering wheel, hands-free controls on the back of the steering wheel on either side, power driver seat finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. In the center, we have our driver information system. Left-hand side of the steering wheel on the outside, we have our cruise. In the center, our forward collision alert and our lane keep assist. Right-hand side, we have our voice recognition, hands-free, as well as the controls for our information system. Moving to the middle, we can see our infotainment system. If we go into audio, we can see we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth, a phone connection, Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we have a backup camera with our adaptive guidelines. Below, we have our home button, seek button, volume control, as well as our hands-free. Push to start ignition just to the left. Dual zone climate control with our sync, AC, front and rear defroster. Then we have our heated driver seat and heated passenger seat. Below it, a USB-C, USB, aux, and 12-volt input with some storage. Parking sensors, as well as our all-wheel drive button in front of our shifter. Leather finish shifter, 2 cup holders, a storage space, as well as our electronic parking brake. In our storage space, we can see our key fob. On our key fobs, we have locks and unlocks, remote start, power tailgate, and our alarm system. Center console. Inside, we have some deep storage, as well as a removable shallow storage. Passenger seat is also finished in our jet black cloth and is heated for the passenger. Above the rearview mirror, we have our OnStar buttons, dome lights on either side, dome lighting controls across the middle, and lastly, our sunglass holder. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we have our alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Moving out, we have paint match mirrors, as well as our paint match door handles and deep tint rear glass. All the way around at the back of the vehicle, we have our black Chevrolet bow tie, Equinox, as well as all-wheel drive LT badging in our chrome, power tailgate, as well as a backup camera. On the bottom below our bow tie. Back of the vehicle, we have storage space, as well as our 60/40 folding split seating. Can fold the rear seats through our passenger side, where we also have a 12-volt plug. Can lift up under the seat to make some additional storage space. Lastly, we can close the vehicle through the right-hand side. Moving into the rear of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, between the 2 front seats, we have our 2 rear vents, as well as 2 USBs for charging. Storage pocket in the back of the passenger seat. Moving to the seats themselves, we have a 60/40 folding bench, finished in our jet black cloth. In our center seat, we have our 2 foldable cup holders. Lastly, we can fold these seats through the side of our seat or through the back of the vehicle to make some additional storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.